Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a government gas connection. Getting a new gas connection for your home can seem complex, but it's a straightforward process once you know the steps. We'll guide you through everything, from understanding the different application modes to preparing your documents and what to expect during installation. Our goal is to make this easy for you. Gathering the correct documents is a crucial first step. You'll need valid identification like your Aadhaar card, passport, or driving license. For address proof, a recent electricity bill, telephone bill, or your ration card will usually suffice. Don't forget to fill out the Know Your Customer or KIC form and include a couple of passport-sized photographs. Ensure all details are consistent across your submissions. Once your documents are ready, you can apply either online or offline. Many providers offer online portals where you can register and upload your documents. If you prefer, visit your local gas distributor to submit a physical application. After submission, you'll typically pay a security deposit which covers the cylinder, regulator, and initial installation charges. You will receive a reference number to track your application. After your application is submitted and verified, the gas provider will schedule an installation. It's important to ensure the installation site has clear access and is free of obstructions. A technician will then install the gas connection, including the cylinder, regulator, and safety tubing. Upon successful installation, you'll receive a domestic gas consumer card or passbook, which records your connection details and future bookings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.